how to keep these ear infections down. Let me show you how to keep the stomach issues away. Because, you know, seeing me is nice. I'll fix the problem, but it's costly. So I like to educate people. And so with the videos, I'm able to educate a full community of people and show them things that, oh, they see all the time. There's an inverted sneeze thing that dogs do. And it happens all the time.
Wait a
I'm going to show
minute,
you what
and
it's
they
like.
sneeze inside their,
It's called an inverted sneeze or an inverted cough. You want me to show you what it looks like?
Yeah.
Right? So
that's the inverted
that's
sneeze?